ko lang yung isa pang mahalagang issue on political dynasty kasi naging mainit siya recently dahil especially nag-file na sina Justice Carpio sa Supreme Court asking for the definition of the political dynasty. Your thoughts on this? Bakit inabot siya ng napakatagal? Tapos until now, wala pa ring enabling law for the political dynasty.
May kasabihan, will give credit where credit is due, pero you give credit also to those who are at fault. Kami in the 9th Congress, we were at fault. 1992 to 1995. Bakit? Kasi dinidebate namin yan. Pinisponsoran ni Orly Mercado yan, yung anti-dynasty law, as an enabling law of the Constitution. Anong nangyari sa amin doon? Tinanong namin, ano ang degree of consanguinity? Ang nakalagay doon sa proposal niya, second degree of consanguinity. Ibig sabihin, asawa, anak, tatay, hindi ba? Yung degree na yun. Okay. Ang problema, ang naitanong namin, ako mismo naitanong ko, Senator Maceda, yun din ang tanong niya. Sabi niya, paano yung mistress? Paano yung kapit? Hindi ba? Pagbabawal mo yung legal na family, hindi mo mapapagbawal yung common law wife or yung, di ba, yung mistress. Kawawa yung pamilya, di ba? Okay, ngayon. Ang sagot ni Orly, let's put it in the law. Di ba? Siya yung sponsor si Neptali Gonzales, who was Senate President then, butted in. Sabi niya, no, you cannot. You cannot legalize the illegal. So from that time on, hindi namin talaga nakuha yung definition na yan. Wala nang nakapag-file uli after that in 10th Congress. Ngayon, yung sinasabi nila Justice Carpio, I agree. Define natin. I-define na mabuti. If they're asking the Supreme Court to give a kind of a definition, hindi naman justiciable issue yan. Pero pwede talagang pakialaman pa rin ng Supreme Court siya ang gusto nila. Parang a definition of what is a political dynasty and in what degree and how. Like for example, kung let's say yung ama, tapos magiging susunod na eleksyon, yung anak ang tatakbo. Ayan, political dynasty tawag natin dyan. Okay. Kung yung anak ng mistress ang tatakbo, it's the same power, but it's not, hindi niya anak, anak ng mistress. Yun ang magiging mga problema. So, pag na-solve natin yung definition na tama, na maayos, na walang maagrabyado, then okay yun. Kasi, like take the example, my case. Before, I was a senator. My son was vice mayor of Quezon City. Hindi political dynasty yun. My pamangkin is mayor of Pasig. Di ba? Or my godson is the mayor of Pasig. Is that a political dynasty? Can you define that as a political dynasty? I don't think so. Di ba? Hindi yun eh. No, so I agree with Justice Carpio and those who have petitioned the Supreme Court to give us finally a definition of what we mean by political dynasty.